The National Human Rights Commission on Thursday issued a notice to the Haryana government over the deaths of 4 workers who died while cleaning a septic tank in Rohtak in Haryana. 4 of the workers died of suspected asphyxiation after inhaling poisonous gas while they were cleaning this tank.
In fact, according to the police, 3 of the workers were privately hired while 1 worked at the public health department. Now, these deaths come in on the heels of the government, in fact, saying that according to reports received from the states, a total of 613 deaths have occurred while cleaning sewers and septic tanks in the country. Now, this, viewers remember, is manual scavenging, and manual scavenging in India is illegal, and yet it continues unabated.
यहाँ 5-6 साल से मेरा आदमी काम पे लगा हुआ है। यहाँ काम करने आया, घर पे पूछ के यहाँ आया, घर पे नहीं बताया कि मैं काम पे जा रहा हूँ। हमने खाना वाना बनाने लगा, यहाँ पता नहीं कौन बीच आ गया, करने लगा काम। यहाँ काम पे आया करता रोड डेली, तो यहाँ डूब गया। यहाँ डूब गया, घर पे पता चला कि 2-3 बंदे गए डूब गए। यहाँ पे 4 बंदे बता रहे हैं।
Gurpreet Chena joining us on the phone line. So Gurpreet, again, this is a case of a human rights violation of the worst order. Despite there being Supreme Court ruling, this is happening unabated. Tell us more about this latest incident and any action taken against those who are responsible for employing these manual scavengers and who are not wearing any safety gear.
Well, this is unfortunate incident which had taken place in Rohtak when the four workers were inside the septic tank and they were cleaning without having the proper gases and equipment at the time, and they died because of asphyxiations, which because of that. After that, the administration has taken action, and that action is only just to suspend the official municipal corporation officials. But no action, no criminal case has been registered against the contractor, because this has taken place as there was no proper equipment provided to the workers at the time of the cleaning of the septic tanks. So all this is because of negligence. Even the families, they were holding protest. They were saying that they want to get justice, but they are thinking about, they are getting the reports on this, that how did it happen. But it is very clear that no equipments were given to the workers who were cleaning the tank at that time. And because of that, no safety measure had been taken, and the 4 lives had been lost in this tank cleaning, during the tank cleaning. So all these things appear that no negligence, it is a negligence on the part of the contractor. He is supposed to get all the equipment and then go for this cleaning of the septic. But no criminal case has been registered in this case. Only suspension of few employees is the justification by the department.
All right. Thanks for taking us through those details. 4 lives there lost while cleaning a septic tank. In fact, a similar story coming in from Tamil Nadu as well, where 3 men died after inhaling poisonous gas while trying to clean a septic tank in Coimbatore. Now, the victims here as well were not wearing any kind of safety gear. Pramod joining us on the phone line. Pramod, as far as Tamil Nadu is concerned, we've been seeing a spate of deaths due to manual scavenging, and here are 3 more.
It's very unfortunate that such incidents on the rise in the state of Tamil Nadu. And as you might know, every year Tamil Nadu is a state that actually tops the list when it comes to deaths due to manual scavenging, and the government just simply says that they are working on it. In fact, we have all the equipment required, all the information, all the laws, everything is on place. But here you have documented evidence that the 3 men who had entered the septic tank were not wearing any kind of gear except for a bunion and just a pair of shorts. And that's all they wore, and they went inside. In fact, their families now claim that they are just trained in digging pits, and they haven't used for septic tanks. That itself is a bigger crime. As usual, the authorities claim that they will take action, and they're looking on the lookout for the person called Ravi who owns the pig farm. But what about the authorities who are turning the blind eye towards this? And how is it death due to manual scavenging is being taken so easily by the government? No answers on that part yet.
Yes, absolutely. So from Rohtak to Coimbatore, from north to south, this illegal practice continues because clearly it's not just enough to have a law. There must be law enforcement. So Pramod, if you can quickly tell us, has police taken note of the fact that, this is continuing primarily because people are not aware that here is a punishable offense. Manual scavenging is illegal.
But manual stuff definitely is very illegal. People know that. The problem is that these people are daily wages and they want one work or the other. And that is where they are being exploited. They are ready to work, but as per law, the municipalities or corporations should only allow employ or on contract basis or by direct work where people are trained in manual scavenging with proper equipment. For instance, if you take the locations in Chennai, you have specific vehicles and you have to wear specific gloves, and even certain locations you are supposed to have masks if you're like entering such places. And the person who's trained would immediately know if there's a cyclone, what kind of waste it carries and what kind of gases could be there. And so they will open it up, they will leave it for some time for ventilation, and only then they will enter.